Konnichiwa, Joe desu. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I know matcha is very popular in the world lately. Also, any chocolate with the matcha flavor, cookie with the matcha flavor and so on are very popular in the world. And today I found a brand new chocolate chip cookie with the matcha flavor. Show you. Boom! Chocolate chip cookie with the matcha flavor. Pucci series. Try to eat. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Oh, yeah. Smell. Oh, yeah, matcha. I smell matcha. Oh, great. Very nice smell. Mmm. Oh, I feel matcha festival. Oh, yes. Yummy. I feel a little bit bitter of the matcha. And then sweet of the matcha. Now, oh yeah, matcha is coming here, my nose, here, like here. Oh, yeah, I feel good. Yeah, with matcha flavor. Very good. Oishi. I think people who have tried matcha or matcha snacks now easy to imagine this taste. You can imagine, right? What the taste is. When you come to Japan, why don't you try this? Very, very good. I know so many international people have tried Kit Kat with matcha flavor. Yeah, that is very good too. But this one also much better. Yes. Take it, please, in Japan. See you next Sunday. Bye.